Welcome to my channel again and welcome to Pherl TV. So for today's video, I'm going to share you my recipe on how to cook pork humba, okay? I have here pork from Bicol, from my sister. This is already pre-boiled, mixed with herbs, okay? So now I'm going to cook this. I think this is 3/4 kilo, okay? So I'm gonna share with you the other ingredients that I'm going to use in this.
So the other ingredients that I'm going to use, guys, are, of course, garlic, the onion, the 6 cloves of garlic, the onion, the 3/4 kilo of liempo, okay, and the Sprite, the soda drink, the vinegar, and the soy sauce, and the canola oil, the banana flour, the black pepper, and my choice of seasoning, and of course water if needed. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So preheat the pan to salt the onion and garlic. So yeah.
So guys, ayan guys, pag mainit na yung kawali, that's the perfect time to put at least 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Igigisa natin ang sibuyas at bawang, okay? So guys, kapag mainit na po ang kawali at ang mantika, so we're going to add the garlic, okay? So yeah, let's add the garlic. And this is my favorite pan, okay? This is, gamit ko na to nung single pa ako. Ayan. Mag-isa lang tayo guys, bawang sibuyas.
Yan guys, lutuin ng bongga ang bawang kasi masarap na gisang-gisa talaga yung mga ating herbs, diba?
So yun guys, kapag well done ang ating bawang, pwede na po nating isunod ang ating sibuyas. Sibuyas. So, ang palatandaan daw guys, pag luto na yung sibuyas, ay translucent na yung sibuyas. What does it mean? Yung sabihin, parang nagiging transparent na yung laman niya, di ba? Parang ano na siya, parang white na, parang magiging clear.
After what?
Pork. Okay, lagyan na natin ng pork. Another cooking spoon. Okay. Kasi I'm going to ayan. Ang dami pala, ang dami. Pag tinignan mo parang konti na, pero pag niluto mo ang dami. The last time, hinaf ko na, nag-ihaw na kami nito eh. Dato puti vinegar. Okay. Konting dato puti vinegar. Ayan. And then we're going to add soy sauce, okay? Isi-simmer natin siya, guys. Mas madami yung soy sauce, guys. Kung nilagay mo isang tsara ng vinegar, you have to add full black pepper, okay? Talaga yung makakapagpala. So, dagdagan ko ng konting tubig. Pakulain ko lang ng konti. Hindi na to masyadong matagal yung paglagay ko guys kasi nga luto na yung meat. Okay, luto na yung meat. Pinakulo na nila yan sa may timpla. Hindi ko na masyadong titimplahan. Okay, lalagay ko na din ang banana flour. Para maluto na din talaga siya. Pork cubes. Okay. Lagay ko na to guys. Kasi I don't have a broth. Okay. Iadagdagan ko lang guys ng konting tubig. Paboboil ko lang guys ng konti. Then later on, I'm going to add the soda. Okay? So yung guys, check na natin. Tada! Ayan, it's boiling na guys. Okay, it's boiling na. So this is the perfect time to add the soda. Okay? We're going to add the soda right now. Okay?
So yun guys, siya kumukulo-kulo na po. Diba? So ilalagay na natin. Sobrang lambot na siya guys. Malambot na talaga siya. Yun yung nakakatuwa sa cooking vlog na to. Kasi nga, pinalambot na talaga to ni na sister. Doon pa lang sa Bicol. So here we have soda. Sprite. Okay. So this will become very, very, very delicious. Na bit. Hindi ko na siya guys tatakpan. Papakuluin ko na lang siya. Okay. Kasi sobrang lambot na siya. Ayan. Hintayin na lang natin guys. Sige, let's try to cover na lang din para
So, check guys ni Ma'am luto na siya, okay?
Ooh. So, yun. Okay guys, titikman na. Very tender na siya guys. Okay, saan ako kukuha? Yung gusto ko yung medyo malambot lang. Titikman ko lang yung, ayan guys, tingnan nyo guys, yung napaka-tender na ng meat, oh. Very tender, very tender. Diba? Hindi na masyadong may effort yung pagkuha mo ng yummy. Yummy.
Guys, I want a bit of sweetness, okay? So, I'm going to add a honey. This is honey. This honey comes from Bicol, okay? Came from Bicol. Ayan. Gusto ko may konti siyang tamis. Ayan. This is pure honey. Okay? Lagyan natin. Ayan. Siya yung magbibigay ng more delicious taste, okay? Pakukuloan natin ng konti. Para mag-simmer yung ano talaga.
Ayan guys, takpan ko guys. Check na natin guys kung luto. Tararan! Tararan! Wow! So yummy guys! So yummy! Luto na po ang ating pork humba with honey. Napaka yummy! Okay? We have a secret ingredient here that I haven't disclosed when I started doing this video. So if you have watched this until the end, you know the very, very true secret of cooking a yummy pork humba. Okay? So thank you for watching guys. If you have come into the end of this video. Okay, I'm going to end this and turn off the flame.